we're gonna get into this mullet. I'm back with the synthetic wigs. Let's give myself a round of applause. Line.com, and I had to grab it. I've always wanted to try mullet. I'm not gonna lie, I've always wanted to try mullet. Years ago, I actually did one. Like, I made it myself. I cut it myself. And it wasn't really a mullet. It was kind of like a bang, just with like not the sides. I don't know. But I never like found like a wig mullet. Now, I know they have some human hair ones, but I was not trying to pay all that money. And no one wanted to send me any. So I was like, okay, I guess I'm just not going to wear mullet. But when I seen the synthetic mullet, I was like, the synthetic queen has to try it. And we're gonna try her on, review her. I'm gonna let you know if she's worth the buy or not. If you're in your rock star era like me, or you wanna wear this as a costume for Halloween, or you just wanna rock out with a mullet, then this video's for you, and you need to keep fucking watching. And don't forget to subscribe, because there's a lot more where this came from. Let's get into it. Brush this synthetic wig, baby. Let me brush this synthetic wig, baby. Because I don't know who the fuck told y'all the synthetic wigs was out. I don't know who told y'all that. Because y'all stopped watching my videos. Because y'all like, oh, y'all can afford human hair wigs now. So y'all think y'all bougie. Y'all think y'all better than me now? Huh? So you don't watch Miss Chrissy J's synthetic wig videos because you wear human hair wigs. You can afford it now. You in college and everything now. You're not in high school no more. You're a grown ass woman and everything now. When you started watching me, you was a little ass girl, so you couldn't afford shit to use my synthetic wigs. Now you grown, you can buy a human hair wig, so you don't want to watch me no more? Don't come over here with that. Go somewhere else with that. We still rocking synthetic wigs over here. Period. Cause it's a motherfucking inflation. I don't know about y'all. I don't know how y'all afford this shit. I can barely afford shit out here in these streets. It's hard. I don't know what's going on in 2023. I don't know what's in the air, but everything is expensive. And I'm not finna spend mad money on a human hair wig. No, baby. I'm still gonna wear my synthetic wigs. Cause I'm still gonna go to that club with a synthetic wig. I'm still gonna go to that party. Still gonna take that photo shoot with a synthetic wig. I don't care what none of y'all say. So, like I said, let me brush my synthetic wig down because this is synthetic. And if you want to know more about this wig that I have on, baby, this wig and me been together like this for 5 years. 5 years. Me and the synthetic wig been together for 5 years. If you don't know now, you know. She will be linked in my description box. Get to know her. She sold out right now, though. I'm even trying to get my hands on her again, but she sold out. But they got other colors. And I have my own synthetic wig line. If y'all didn't know, Chrissy's Wigs New York. I launched her about last year. I haven't really been consistent with her because I've been up and down as far as looking for a good plug that's gonna give me good wigs. So I've been really searching because I'm not gonna sell y'all shitty synthetic wigs. So that's why I've been really off and on with my business, because I've been really trying to find a good plug, and I found one. So this wig that I have here, I have one that's coming on my website on ebay.com. I'm going to leave the link below. I also have so many coming. You got to like stay tuned. Follow my Instagram page, Chrissy's Wigs New York. And I promise you, I'm going to give you the synthetic wigs that I've always wanted. I got this wig from ebonyline.com. I'm going to open her up. And this is from Sister Wig, aka Zury Sis. They have like a branch off called Sister Wig, and it just is called Mullet Style. The color I have is the Platinum Silver Lily. She has, for the new colors that she has, she's in FF Pink Blonde. I was gonna get that, but I feel like I do so much pink because I love pink and I'm such a Barbie. So I was like, you know what? I want to just get out of the pink because I'm doing so much pink, and I'm in my Renaissance era. Everybody goes to the Renaissance concert, baby. I can't afford it. Yeah, I can't. Beyonce, if you're watching this, or anybody that know Beyonce, anybody that knows Jay-Z, or anybody in their team, if you're watching this, if you could just send me some tickets, that'd be nice, so I could wear my mullet and, you know, my silverness to the concert. But yeah, so I'm in my Renaissance era, and I think everybody is. So I was like, I'm gonna do the silver because it's giving very much Renaissance. They have pink, they have a ginger, which is fucking gorgeous, especially for the fall season, y'all. They got a ginger, the pink, the color that I have, the Platinum Silver Lily, and they have a coca blonde. It's like a brown blonde, very, very unique and beautiful colors. Literally, I want them in all color if they look good on me. Have not tried it on yet. This is my first time taking it out of the package. I don't know how it looks on me. So, I might bite my words after this, but so far, I want every color. This is how it looks on the model. I don't know if you guys can see that because my light is really bright. Open it up. Let's open it up. Don't need this. Okay. All this stuff you don't need. Okay, so I'm just gonna cut off the tag because I don't want to have the tag on when I try it on. Okay, so this is how it looks. It's very thin. It's very, very lightweight, very thin. It's definitely giving mullet. So I'm realizing that the top is silver and black and the bottom is purple, like a light purple. That's why it's called platinum silver lily. I'm like, platinum silver lily, what? This is like the lily purple color. So it has 2 clips right here in the front, like literally 1, 2. I wish it was on the sides. You guys know how I feel about side clips. It just grips it better on your head. It has a large clip in the back. And does it come with a strap? Yes, it does. Good, because I was getting worried for a minute. I'm like, child, is this gonna fit on my head? Is it gonna be tight enough? Is it gonna fall off? So it comes with the wig straps that every synthetic wig, I'm pretty sure, comes with. I mean, I'm gonna show you guys once I get it unbuckled. Nice and snug on your head. Now I'm gonna take off this wig, even though I really don't want to because it's so beautiful and flat on my head. Listen, my hair is not done. I don't wear wig caps like that. Y'all know that it gives me a headache because sometimes they be too tight. So I'm not really a wig cap wearer. If anybody knows me, you know I don't really care for wig caps. My hair is usually always braided down anyway. Now I need to get it braided over so it's very fuzzy and just crazy, so don't judge me. And this is not glued on, so we're gonna take, ow, hold on. Ow, we're gonna take this off, ooh. And I know I got a line because of the wig and my makeup and stuff like that. So, oh, bye wig, you was so pretty. You was so gorgeous. But let's sit you down right over there. Woo! Now I can scratch, child. Look at my braids. I gotta get them done over. Listen, child. Don't judge me, okay? Because I'm pretty sure under your wig, your hair looks like this too. Don't judge me. Anyway, let's get right into it because you know I don't give a damn. Go ahead and like comb it down like this to the front because I think it will look way better like that, yes, than to the side. It just looks very, very weird. So we're gonna do it like that. So I think these look, oh, this looks pretty. How do I look? How do I look? I look so different than what I normally look like. I like the glasses with it. It's given very much like, yeah. These are cute with them. And then these are my faves. I got these years ago, like from this lady that was selling it in my beauty school at the time. But yeah, these are given very much like Alien Superstar. I love them. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm going to turn around and show you guys the back. There's really not much to do because it comes already styled. As I showed you, you can put it to the front. This is how it looks from the side. Let me show you guys how it looks from the side. In case anybody wants it, how it looks from the side, that's how it looks. Or you can kind of mess it up. You know, oh, well, that looks just really crazy. But it comes messy when you first get it. So if you want to leave it like that, you can leave it like that as well. But I like to bring it to the front because I think it looks really nice like that. So this is how the back looks. It's no track showing. I love it. It looks even. This is a really great wig. Like, all in all, I recommend it. The back looks great. Like, I love it. Weight, doesn't feel like anything's on your head. And I think it's just a fun wig. Let me know what you think below, okay? So I will see you guys in my next video. Let me actually end the video with the shades because it looks so cool. I will see you guys in my next video. But until then, keep slaying.